One of the best gift this Valentine's, chicken wings from Peppa Wings. So I received this package from them and thank you Peppa Wings for this Valentine's gift. Meron pa siyang kasamang heartful letter, but I am more grateful dahil ako ay naging part ng inyong family. Anyway, let's start to explore this package. Meron ditong mini brochure kung saan nakalagay yung kanilang history and yung instruction for their chicken wings and the flavorings. Ito-toss po together yung sauce and yung kanilang chicken wing. Here na yung kanila exciting part. Ang laman ng package na to ay yung kanilang chicken wings na pagkalaki-laki halos kalahati na ng mukha ko, at yung kanilang chicken nuggets at yung 4 flavors na provided. Isa-isahin natin. Una is yung wild spice, sweet and spicy flavor. Second is the sour cream with classic tangy delight, and personally, ito yung gusto ko sa kanilang flavors dahil gusto ko yung mga maasim. Third is yung Asian Zing, kung saan yun yung kanilang parang mango flavor. Unique flavor, wala to sa ibang chicken wings brand and masarap siya in fairness. Lastly is yung El Pepa, yun yung pinakamaanghang. In fairness, hindi ako masyadong naanghangan pero maanghang talaga siya. Again, thank you Peppa Wings.